In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Instagram story GIF stickers not showing. So first of all, what you have to do is open the Instagram. You can see over here I've opened it. Normally when you upload the story on Instagram, you'll be able to add the GIF stickers. But if you're not being able to see the option for GIF stickers over here, it might be hidden. So for that, what you have to do is tap on this sticker icon. After you do that, if you do not see the option for GIF over here, tap on the search bar. Now simply search for GIF. Now you'll be able to see the option for GIF, tap on it. After that, you'll be able to find various GIFs over here. Simply tap on the GIF that you would like to upload. After that, you can see over here the GIF will be added. But if the option for GIF is not showing, it might be because your application is not updated. So for that, what you have to do is update the app, launch open Play Store on your device, tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is simply search for Instagram. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for Instagram and tap on it. Now after you do that, tap on the option update, wait for a while and the application will be updated. After it is updated, your problem should be solved. But if it is still not showing, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache of Instagram. Open the app library of your device, find the application for Instagram and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info. After you do that, you'll be led to the app info interface. Tap on this option storage and cache that you can see on the screen. Now what you have to do is tap on this option clear cache. After you do that, your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the Instagram application and install it again. After you do that, the problem will definitely be solved. So that is how you fix Instagram story GIF option not showing. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.